So I'm Evan with Techvill Appliance Repair. We specialize in repairs for washers, dryers, microwaves, fridges, ovens, pretty much you name it. We try to fix it. Had a call today where LG washer wasn't draining. Customer had checked the drain pump filter and it was all clear, and it still just kept on giving error code OE. Wasn't draining, so went there, checked the pump out, made sure it had voltage, it was all good, and so replaced the pump and it fixed the problem. This pump, it failed. The impeller is weak and should not be like that. I would always recommend you try doing it yourself. You'd have to be very careful to make sure it's not leaking afterwards. You can cause a lot of water damage really quick with something such as a drain pump. If it's not hooked up properly or the hoses aren't clamped properly, it could cause a lot of damage really quick. I've been to one case where the drain pump filter didn't get screwed in properly, flooded his floor, thousands of dollars of damage really quick.